Come and stand before your Maker, full of wonder, full of fear. Come behold his power and glory, yet with confidence draw near. For the one who made the heavens and commands the stars above is a God who bends to bless us with an unrelenting love. Rejoice! Come on, lift your hands and raise your voice. He is worthy of our praise. Rejoice in the mercies of the King and trembling. Rejoice. We are children of the promise, the beloved of the Lord, one with everlasting kindness, but with sacrificial blood, bringing reconciliation to a world that longs to know the affections of a Father who will never let them go. Rejoice! Come on, lift your hands and raise your voice. He's worthy of our praise. Rejoice! Sing the mercies of your King and with trembling rejoice. All our sickness, all our sorrows, Jesus carried up the hill. He has walked this path before us. He is walking with us still, turning tragedy to triumph, turning